How to get paid for your music from day one. Episode 1. The real beginning. What every upcoming artist must do to start earning. I am your host, Thulasizwe Nkabinde. I am greeting you from KQ Records of Salvation Studio. Sanibonani creative artist, dreamers, upcoming stars, welcome to KQ Records of Salvation Podcast Studio. The place where we teach you how to run your music career the right way. From day one until your music pay you for real. Today we begin episode 1 of our powerful documentary series titled How to Get Paid for Your Music. This podcast is designed to help every upcoming artist who have ever asked the question, what exactly must I do to get paid for my songs? Sizohamba nani step by step from the first lyrics you write until the day your royalties arrive into your bank account. Let's begin. The true day one of an artist. Most artists think career start after recording a song. Kandiluto. Your career actually begins the day you decide, I want to become an artist. I am already taking this seriously. From that moment, you need 3 things: clarity, consistency, and quality. Clarity. What kind of music do you want to make? Consistency. Can you rehearse, improve, and stay committed? Quality. Listeners judge what they hear in 3 seconds. This is why your foundation must be solid. Step number 1. Lyrics writing and art preparation. Before studio sessions, before music codes, before royalties, you need good music. These are the tips. Write songs that match your vocal ability. Study artists in your genre. Keep lyrics journal or phone notes. Rehearse your songs as if you are performing on stage. Your rehearsals determine the quality of your final recording. Step number 2. Book a quality recording studio. Many upcoming artists fail simply because they record in low quality environments. They don't invest in mixing and mastering. They settle for cheap instead of professional. If you don't have your own studio, book a quality one. A good studio should offer professional microphones, proper acoustics, an engineer who understands your genre, mixing and mastering services. Remember, a low-quality song will never compete on radio, Spotify playlist, or TVs. And yes, KQ's Record of Salvation Studio is available for bookings. We help upcoming artists create music that can compete anywhere. Step number 3. Build your artist identity. Before you release music, you must choose stage name, brand identity, music genre. Your stage name must be unique, researchable, not already used by other artists, not copyrighted by anyone else. This matters because your name will be connected to your SAMRO registration, your ISRC code, your digital distribution, your royalties. Your brand must be protected. Your name must be registered and recognized. Step number 4. Copyright and legal protection. This is where most upcoming artists get dropped. From today, remember this. Your song must be legally protected before you release it. Protection includes copyright laws, music codes, royalty societies. This protects your lyrics, your melody, your master rights, your performance rights, and your publishing rights. At KQ's Records, we teach and help artists to register for the following: SAMRO for performance royalties from radios, TVs, live shows. CAPASO for mechanical royalties from digital stores and downloads. SAMBRA for neighboring rights from your voice recorded on the master. IMPRA alternative performance royalties. RISA for ISRC code, your unique song identity code. UPC for your distribution code. We assist upcoming artists with all these for 100 Rand per code registration. Step number 5. Get your music distributed. To get paid for streams, you must use a music distributor. Our recommended distributor is DistroKid. Why DistroKid? Because you get fast distribution. You keep 100% of your royalties. You get unlimited uploads. You get automatic ISRC code and UPC generation. It's affordable. It's fast. It is trusted worldwide. At KQ's Records, we assist all artists to get the best package on DistroKid. Step number 6. Maintain and grow your quality. Consistency plus quality is equal to career longevity. You must improve your vocals, improve your writing, improve your production, collaborate with other artists, upgrade your sound, keep learning. Your quality is your biggest marketing tool. We have come towards the end of our episode. I am Thulasizwe Nkabinde. I am your host. This is what we have covered already. Lyrics writing, rehearsing, quality recording, stage name and artist identity, copyright protection, music code registration, distribution, quality control. In the next episode, we will go deeper into how music royalty work, the difference between publishing and master rights, understanding ISRC versus UPC, why most upcoming artists never earn money, and how to avoid that. If you need help registering SAMRO, CAPASO, RISA, SAMPRA, IMPRA, ISRC, UPC, or DistroKid, come to KQ Records of Salvation. We only charge 100 Rand per code registration assist. We also have 2 artist management contracts, full artist management agreement, song-specific management agreement. You can come to the studio to sign one if you want professional guidance. Contact 071 450 5692 or 072 104 7556. Address 1363/16 Lindela, Wesile Street, Polcrust, Vuguzake. Thank you. See you on the next episode.